Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. Set up a strong LinkedIn profile. Choose a professional profile picture that reflects your brand. Write a compelling headline that showcases your expertise. Craft a summary that tells your story and highlights your skills. Include relevant keywords in your profile to improve visibility. Connect with industry peers, potential clients, and thought leaders. Join LinkedIn groups related to your niche and engage in discussions. Share valuable content that showcases your knowledge and builds trust. Post regularly about industry trends, insights, and your personal experiences. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles that demonstrate your expertise. Use LinkedIn's advanced search feature to identify and reach out to potential clients. Send personalized connection requests that highlight common interests. Engage with your network by liking and commenting on their posts. Follow companies in your industry to stay updated on their news and job openings. Use LinkedIn Analytics to track engagement on your posts and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider running targeted LinkedIn ads to reach specific audiences. Create a content calendar to ensure consistent posting and variety in your content. Build relationships by sending follow-up messages to connections after initial outreach. Offer value during these conversations by providing insights or resources. Continuously refine your approach based on feedback and results. Monitor your competitors' strategies on LinkedIn for inspiration. Implement what works best for your brand while finding your unique voice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.